Olá, boa tarde a todos. Bem-vindos à nova sessão da tarde. Agora vamos ter connosco Anastasiia Martorella, Solutions Engineer at Acronis, em que o tema da conferência será Acronis Company Presentation and Overview of Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud Platform. So, Anastasiia, thank you for your participation in the second edition of Cyber and Cloud Expo. The stage is yours, okay? I will be here at backstage for anything you need. Thank you.
Hello, thank you all for connecting to our session. Today we will speak about Acronis solution, Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud, and about the company itself. So let's start about who we are. We were founded in 2003 in Singapore. Currently it's international HQ, and then we created another headquarter in Schaffhausen in Switzerland in 2008. We've grown for the last year on $30 million in billings. We had 50% overall business growth. We had more than 100% cloud growth. 100% of the companies from the list of Fortune 1000 are using Acronis product. 1 million, more than 1 million businesses uses our products, and it's Acronis Cyber Cloud. It's sold through 50,000, more than 50,000 of partners. So we are 1,500 employees, even more. We are located in more than 33 locations in more than 150 countries. We speak more than 33 languages, and we are planning to have more than 100 data centers in the next 24 months. Speaking about our solution, Acronis Cyber Protect, we already have more than 1 million protected workloads, and it's not only about Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud, but also about the solution on premise. We have prevented more than 1 million attacks, and this solution is sent through more than 9,000 cloud partners. So the solution, Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud, Acronis Cyber Cloud, follows our motto, SAPAS. So it's safety, accessibility, privacy, authenticity, and security. So nothing is lost. There is always a copy of recovery, access from anywhere at any time, control over visibility and access, proof that the copy is an exact replica of the original, and protection against bad actors. So the threat landscape is becoming more complex, and Acronis like this kind of challenges because we are preparing the solution exactly to beat them all. So 300% spike in cybercrime during the COVID-19 pandemic, 57% of attacks are missed by traditional antivirus solutions, and 69% spent more time managing tools than defending against threats. But what if you could rely on just one integrated solution to boost your monthly recurring revenue, cut cyber protection cost by up to 50%, and deliver unmatched cyber protection? So we present artificial intelligence-powered integration of data protection and cybersecurity. It makes prevention, smart protection plans based on Acronis threat alerts, detection, artificial intelligence, machine learning-based threat detection and behavioral analysis, response, attack response with complete artificial intelligence-assisted visibility on the edge, recovery, attack remediation without data loss and with integrated patching, forensics, fast and precise investigations with forensic rich backups. So this is a solution. This is a standard pack, our famous igloo of Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud. So it's a best-in-breed backup combined with integrated security and management. And you can see here we have some components of this standard pack. So it has security, cyber fit score, vulnerability assessment, active protection, antivirus and anti-ransomware protection without local signature-based detection. It means no real-time protection. It's only scans. Device control. Then management, group management of workloads, centralized plans management, remote desktop, remote assistance, hardware inventory. And then backup. we offer file level backup, image level backup, the backup of the applications, SQL Exchange, Active Directory, network shares backup, backup to cloud storage, and backup to local storage, including local folders and network folders. Then in the standard pack, you can also use disaster recovery in test mode only, and only with a cloud-only VPN connection point to site. Then we have also notary part and file sync and share. Oh, sorry. Here you can see all the advanced pack that currently we have in Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud. So as you can see, the down part is the glue, the standard pack that we just saw in the previous slide. Now we can see the packs that's the advanced pack that are inside of Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud that you can enable to use together with the standard pack. So you see here we have advanced email security, anti-phishing, anti-spam protection, anti-malware, APT and zero-day protection, impression protection, attachments deep scanning, URL filtering, threat intelligence, incident response services. Then another pack, advanced security. Here, antivirus and anti-ransomware protection with local signature-based detections means that we have already real-time protection in this pack. URL filtering, forensic backups, scan backups for malware, safe recovery in corporate whitelist, allow list. Regarding scan backups for malware and safe recovery, that are two scans searching for suppositive ransomware inside of the backups. So in general, there are three scans. First, it's located already in the standard pack. That is active protection. It doesn't make ransomware enter to the backups. And then we have two other scans in advanced security, scan backups for malware. So after we made the backup, we make a scan, and safe recovery. So meanwhile we are recovering, we also make a scan just in case for the ransomware. Then we have smart protection plans, integration with Center of Protections of Protection in Acronis. Currently, we have three offices all around the world. One is in United States of America, another in Asia in Singapore, and the third one from where we Europeans receive the updates about the ransomware is located in Schaffhausen in Switzerland. Exploit prevention. Then we pass to the next advanced pack, advanced management. So inside we have patch management, the possibility to make an updates, HDD health, software inventory. In standard pack, we already have hardware inventory, but here we add also software one. Fail-safe patching, so it's a backup before we go to make an update. If something happens, we can return to the initial state of the machine before the update without losing anything. And other sections, as you can see there with asterisk, it means that they are still not added to this pack. We are waiting them in 2022. The next advanced pack is advanced backup. What we have inside, if we need to back up the clusters of SQL or clusters of Exchange, we need this advanced pack. If we need to make a backup of Oracle database or SAP HANA, we also need advanced backup. If we want to make to configure the functionality such as data protection map, just to add an extension to prioritize them in any of the functionalities that you enable in the plan, we also need advanced backup. And another functionality that is inside of this advanced pack is continuous data protection. So it's a backup outside of the planification every time that you make some modification inside of the data of the machine. The next advanced pack is advanced disaster recovery. So if you remember, in the standard pack, we already have disaster recovery in for test purposes and only with a connection point to site. Here we have production, disaster recovery, and we have another two connections, site to site and IPsec VPN multi-site. And also we have runbooks. With runbooks, we can automatize a bit the steps like step after step, and then if something happens, we just can go and execute this runbook. And the last pack that we just added is advanced file sync and share. So we had previously, and we have still, another solution that is inside of Acronis Cyber Cloud, that is file sync and share cloud. But we decided also to add this as an advanced pack to use it together with Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud. So inside we have notarization and e-signature. So the possibility to notarize and sign the documents with this service. This is our roadmap. As you can see, we have here already the packages that I showed you in the previous slide: advanced email security, advanced file sync and share, disaster recovery, advanced backup, advanced management, advanced security. And in Q1 2022, we plan to add also advanced data loss prevention with network control, content control, and user activity monitoring, and advanced security plus ADR, events collection, automated response, security incident management, and advanced security. So what is the difference between the legacy backup and antivirus solutions and Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud? So as you can see, our solution is easy, efficient, and secure. So if we compare with the legacy backup and antivirus solutions, they are complex, complicated licensing, deployment, and training, as well as agent conflicts. And instead, in Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud, we have all services managed from one place, remove the complexity and risks associated with non-integrated solutions. The legacy backup and antivirus solutions are expensive, multiple tools, vendors, and administration costs. Instead, Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud, smarter use of resources. It has faster operations with integration and automation that lets your team focus on your clients. And the last thing that we can compare the legacy backup and antivirus solutions are unsecure. So they have lack of integration, creates gaps in defenses, management, burden, compromises security. Instead, Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud, total peace of mind for clients. Customize your services and deliver complete protection for every workload. Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud offers lower risk for your client, so eliminates gaps in your defenses, upgrade the protection of every workload, and recover instantly without losing data. So you are still selling backup, you can upsell to Acronis Cyber Protect. So more than backup, it's the most secure, easy, and reliable backup solution for MSP. And we have three types of protection: proactive, active, and reactive. They are done in the different stage of backup of the functionality of managing the workload. So proactive protection has vulnerability assessment and patch management to avoid downtime and maintenance. Malware removal from backups, prevention of recurring infections. Active protection, continuous data protection to avoid any data loss. Active protection against ransomware and other malware to avoid downtime. Self-defense for the agent and backup storage. Reactive protection, integrated disaster recovery capability, instant recovery, no data loss, near zero RTO and RPO, metadata storage for forensics and investigation of incidents. So it gives you maximum number of workloads protected per an MSP technician, integrated remote management for quick access to the protected workloads, and pre-configured protection plans for remote workers. You're selling security, move to Acronis Cyber Protect. So it has unique capabilities to deliver the most complete cyber protection solution for managed service providers. So it offers you protection for collaboration applications, Zoom, WebEx, Microsoft Teams, artificial intelligence-based hard drive failure prediction, integrated secure file sync and share solution for collaboration, security, artificial intelligence-based injection detection, entropy analysis against advanced ransomware, rootkit detection by scanning cold backup data, aggressive heuristics enabled by a low list created from backups, performance, antivirus scans in backups, decreasing the load of protected devices, reduce downtime with fail-safe patch management, allow listing application by scanning backup. What it gives to you, what is the benefits? So it gives a quick assessment of the device's protection status with built-in cyber fit score, data protection map to discover and protect important data, remote desktop connection to Office network for end customers. So we have a deep integration enables new capabilities. So we have a power of one to eliminate complexity, deliver new security capabilities, keep costs down, manage all clients from one console, and give efficient support escalations with one vendor. So we have only one agent, one policy, one web console, one license, and one vendor. So here you can see the top use cases for Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud. I will just fast run out of them. Simplified onboarding. You do not need anything, just to start working. Only install an agent and you can start. Zero-day malware and ransomware protection. Compliance and forensic investigations. Better SLAS. Post-malware attack recovery. Protection for all key files. Centralized patching. You can demonstrate your service value to clients, real-time protection of important documents, auto response to emerging threats, and minimal planned and unplanned downtime. So now we will see the key features of Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud. So it has hybrid cloud architecture. We will see in the next slide what does it mean. It offers you a flexible storage to add. It protects more than 20 workload types. It has file and image backup. It has instant recovery. It has flexible storage, and it was built exceptionally for managed service providers. So it offers full image and file level backup. You can backup individual files or safeguard an entire business with a few clicks. It has flexible storage options. You can store the data in cloud storage. Some of the data centers has a possibility to add Google Cloud platform and Azure already pre-installed, but they are only L1, L3, and the data center in United States. You have the possibility to add other public clouds if you have the space there. If you are working before with them, you can still add them to Acronis, and your own or third-party cloud storage. If you have your own server, you can just add it. You can just integrate it with Acronis Cyber Cloud. Then you can have also on-premises storage. It can be local disks, it can be SMB, CIFS, DFS, and NFS shares, and also on-premises Acronis storage. So we provide protection for more than 20 workload types, from infrastructure to solution as a service applications. You can see here what we are supporting in Microsoft. It's Azure, Windows Server, Windows PC, Exchange, SQL Server, SharePoint, Active Directory, Hyper-V, Microsoft. Then it's Google Workspace, Amazon, EC2, Linux Server, Mac, iPhone, iPad, Android, SAP HANA, VMware Sphere, Oracle, server, Oracle database, Red Hat virtualization, Linux, KVM, Citrix, Hand Service, Virtuoso, and Nutanix. This solution has best in industry RTO with Acronis Instant Restore. So from the backup file, you can create a virtual machine that will start to live its own life, but you can recover fast the backup if you do not have any other machine already prepared to do it. So you can do it on the base of your existing Microsoft Hyper-V or VMware Sphere. So you just choose it to reproduce this kind of backup in form of a new virtual machine, and it will be created in the console. Acronis Universal Restore. Here you can restore Windows and Linux systems to dissimilar hardware. So backup is dead, and Acronis Cyber Protect is better backup protection. So you can see that we have significantly extended anti-malware capabilities. If before in cyber backup we had only Acronis active protection that was not permitting to enter ransomware and malware into the backup. So now we have Acronis static and artificial intelligence analyzer, Acronis anti-malware engine, and Acronis behavioral engines. Moreover, we have native integration with Windows Security Center. So artificial intelligence-based protection against zero-day malware. So we offer this anti-malware protection for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. You can see we have ransomware detection and data recovery, crypto mining process detection, real-time protection and on-demand scanning, self-protection, network folder protection, server-side protection, files quarantine, and exclusions management. Devices auto discovery and remote agent installation to simplify the process of installing multiple agents at once, both in cloud and on premises. So to use this functionality, you just need to install a local agent on Windows machine, and then this Windows machine will call another machine's inactive directory in its local network, or you can specify manually or import from file. Vulnerability assessment, this functionality was made to make you discover an issue before it's a problem. So it scanned the applications, it scanned the components of Windows, and it's saying which applications need to be updated or need to be reinstalled because they were installed incorrectly. Drive health monitoring, you can see what is happening with the health of the disks before some loss will happen, data loss will happen, or the machine will be broken. So you can see here everything is okay. Green, the medium alert is orange, and you just need to take some kind of steps to change something if you see the disks in the red color. Flexible monitoring and reporting, you can just see the information in the dashboard, what is happening with the machine in regards of the backup or the protection, or you configure it to receive it as a report. You can customize it. You can delete the widget that you do not want to see, and here in the add widget, you can add the widget that you want to see. Then we have hardware inventory collection, so we can check the hardware of the machines, the physical one and virtual one. Then we have remote desktop and remote assistance. So you can connect to the device via RDP and also via HTML5 client. Then we have a device control to strengthen your security services and minimize the risks of data leaks for clients with essential data loss prevention. So we can just allow or deny the usage of some of the devices ports. Client executive summary report. Here you can make a strategic conversation with your clients monthly. So the metrics that you can see in this report are backup, disaster recovery, anti-malware protection, vulnerability assessment and patch management, data loss prevention, cyber files, and cyber notary. You can download it via PDF or Excel format, customize, and set up automatic delivery. By customize, I mean the same delete and put the widget that you want to see. Blockchain notarization. If you remember, we spoke about advanced file sync and share, where you can also notarize the files. So you can ensure the data integrity with innovative blockchain-based Acronis Cyber Notary. Easy, efficient, secure cyber protection with advanced pack. Let's see just shortly what does they have inside. So again, you see the overview of all the packs, how they are added to the standard pack. And then we can see the description, the short description of all the advanced packs. So the first one is advanced backup. You can add it to the customer's account to increase automation and productivity. You can have a scheduled backup reports paired with with cloud backup enhancement, like continuous data protection helps you save time while saving your clients from data loss. deliver the most secure backup, and protect more workloads on more platform. Then we have advanced disaster recovery. As we already spoke, it's not a test one as a standard pack. This is a production disaster recovery. And you have 3 different connection point to site, and VPN IP site to run it. So practically this solution offers you the possibility to have a server in cloud in Acronis that will be exact copy of the native machine. And if something happens with the native server, you can enable the server in Acronis cloud and connect the end users to continue working. As I told, if something happens with the native machine, this server makes backup continuously, like you programmed it for the native one, and then you can, when you restore the work of the native machine, you can just freely make a failback and update the information that changed from the Acronis server to the native machine. Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud with advanced security. Here we have full stack anti-malware, active protection enhanced with exploit prevention, URL filtering, anti-malware detection for backup data, and improved detection rate to catch more threats faster. Then we have security automation, smart protection plans, a low list, custom apps, automatic malware scans, and antivirus definition updates as part of recovery processes to deliver services more effortlessly, and efficient forensics. Advanced management. We have advanced patch management. We can update the applications and the system components remotely from the console. Patch management automation and comprehensive managed tools. Advanced email security. We can protect the emails before they will reach the mailbox of the end user. Stop phishing and spoofing attempts. Catch advanced evasion techniques and prevent APTs and zero-day attacks. Advanced file sync and share, maximize productivity and collaboration, mitigate security risks, and boost revenue growth. So why Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud? The benefits. Ease of use, fewer human errors, faster deployment, more workload supported by an IT professional, more customers protected, low TCO, protection accessible for customer of any size, and low cost means higher margin for partners. Security, protection solution natively designed for security, decrease partner risk and of liability. Control over data location, protection configuration, and rights delegation, reduced partner risks. And reliability, scalable and highly available cyber protection allows partners to offer higher SLAs to their customers. It was built for service providers. You can see it's easy. It has a lot of integrations, comprehensive white labeling, and straightforward pay-as-you-go pricing. It has white label, so you can personalize it as you wish. You can make a web console color scheme, logos, company and service names, and customizable email settings. Integration with service provider tools. As you can see, we have RMM and PCA tool, hosting control panels and billing size systems, and marketplace providers. We ensure compliance and local presence. We have 30 plus 6 data centers all over the world. As you can see, we have also one in Portugal. We are a leader in independent test results. You can freely access our page, acronis.com, and you can see also this information. You can check the pages of the institutes where we made this kind of test to just double check the truth of information. So we have a security industry recognition. We are a member of a lot of organizations. And it has security-related certification. As you can see, it's GDPR compliant. It has FIPS 142, ISO 27001, ISO 9001, and other HIPAA, for example. So you also can check this information in our page, acronis.com, in the section data centers. And the last one that I wanted to tell you, I will not speak about prices in any case, just to make you understand how it's counted. It's per workload and per gigabyte. So you can freely choose the one that is more comfortable for you. Technically, it's the same. It has Per-workload has advanced protection, advanced pack, and per gigabyte has its advanced pack. So I see that we are run out of time. There are a few more slides that I wanted to show you. Well, this is an explanation how the pricing is working, so you will understand how the principle, how you will pay. Well, I think that this presentation will be distributed with the participants, and you can freely check the information. So thank you for your attention, and have a nice day.
Thank you, Anastasia. Thank you so much. I was just coming to enter just to saying that you have 2 minutes, because at 15 we'll start another one. At my point, I'd like to thank you, and just to mention that Silvia Cardoso, one of the attendees, told that it was a great presentation and a great solution that Acronis is. So the feedback is really good. And Ruiz de Valbuena also said, Maria said it was really, really good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anastasia. Just like to remember that Friday, Anastasia will have another presentation, a live demo of Acronis.
Yes, so, waiting for you there.
Exactly. So at my point, thank you so much for your availability, Anastasia, and see you on Friday. And thanks all the attendees that were watching this.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.